Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. In our family, we are huge Super Mario fans, as you might be able to tell. So my boys have a huge collection of Mario plushes. This one right here is really special. This is the Luigi Neko cat plush. What makes him unique is he's outfitted in the cat costume that became known in Super Mario 3D World. This is an official Little Buddy brand plush, and they're really durable. I can attest to that because the majority of my kids' Mario plushes are from that brand. They've gotten food on them. I've thrown them in the washer and dryer. The stains come out and they look brand new. So this guy's really fun. They've mastered all the details so he looks just like the cat Luigi in Super Mario 3D World. If you have little ones that are huge Super Mario fans, they are going to be thrilled with this little guy. He's soft, he's squishy, and he's much needed for their collection. And that's my point of view.